Hi, I'm Dr. Craig Tuttle. Welcome to our office. Today's subject we're going to talk about is anxiety. We see some patients that will come to our office with anxiety and have a lot of tension that builds up. And anxiety is usually brought on by stress that builds up over a period of time. But anxiety can be a very challenging situation for a person and cause a lot of emotional stress. But usually what anxiety does, it affects the nervous system, and the nervous system, as we know in healthcare, is the system that controls all the functions of our body. When you think of the nervous system, most of the time you'll think of the brain as your computer and it sends messages down your spinal cord. Then the nerves travel sending messages out to every cell, organ, and tissue of your entire body. So we want the messages to flow at 100% of its potential. So we want the messages flowing from that brain down that spinal cord, out through those nerves to all the organs and tissues and cells of the body. Anxiety creates stress where around the nervous system you have a skeletal structure, your bone system, that supports, for instance, you have the skull around the brain, then you have 24 movable segments called vertebrae around the spinal cord to protect it and allow mobility. And then as the nerves flow out between those bones, the bones are held together by soft tissues called muscles and ligaments. And those soft tissues, when we have a tremendous amount of stress and anxiety going in our life, what will happen is they'll tighten up, allowing the bones to not move. And that in turn will cause pressure on the nerves, such as referred to as a pinched nerve or stress on the nervous system. That blocks the communication between the brain and wherever that nerve is sending its message to, whatever tissue, cell, or function of the body. So we want those nerves to flow at 100% of their potential in alignment so that the nerves can flow without pressure on the nerves. So stress, emotional stress, can be brought on by relationships, job stress, financial stress, or your sports team not winning, or just situations in your life that create a lot of tension. And maybe you have a teenager or a relationship that's not going well, or a job stress that's not maybe your boss or your coworkers, or you're having a situation that's creating a lot of tension and anxiety for you, and you're not looking forward to it. And it creates a lot of stress when even just the thought of those situations. So that becomes internalized and just tightens and stiffens your body up and puts a lot of stress on the nerves. Now you have physical stress brought on by the emotional anxiety that was going on within your life situation. So as a chiropractor, we want to make sure that that stress is allowed to dissipate and allow the nervous system to function properly so that you put things back in perspective. And one of the things that we want to talk about is keeping balance in your life, and I want to talk about the 5 keys of staying healthy. So the 5 keys, briefly, to keep your body healthy and balance. There's 5 different situations that we want to occur in our life. We want to have good balance with our nutrition, exercise. You want to stay balanced and work out. That helps dissipate a lot of the anxiety and stress in your life. Your sleep is super important to keep balance and keep your body in a situation that helps you deal with anxiety. And then also you want to have a positive mental attitude and spiritual growth. And then you want to have healthy nerves, like we just discussed, where the nerves are flowing at 100% of their potential. So these 5 things will allow your body to stay in balance: nutrition, exercise, sleep, positive mental attitude, and spiritual growth, and then healthy nerves. This allows your body to stay in balance and function properly. And we encourage our patients to keep that balance in your life to help dissipate the anxiety and also allow their body to adapt to the anxieties of their life. Thank you for your time today, and I hope that information has been helpful. If you have any questions at all, you can go to our website and you can download an examination for free in our office to check to see if anxiety is taking a toll on you, and we can get your body more adaptable by checking you and evaluating if we can help you or not. Our website is yourseattlechiropractor.com. You're also welcome to download the free examination on that website in our office here at 1205 2nd Avenue here in Seattle. Or if you have any questions, you can call my office. I'll be happy to get on the phone and discuss it with you. My number is 206-467-8611. Hope the information's been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you.